This morning while I was laying in bed, I was thinking, what am I going to have for breakfast this morning? It's a rainy day with lots of downpours, the wind is blowing like crazy, and I'm just hungry. I decided to make myself some scrambled eggs. Here in my measuring cup I have 3 eggs, which are scrambled, and I've already taken them out of their shells. I have a cast iron skillet, which I put some vegetable oil spray in addition to some butter. And the purpose of that butter is mainly to butter my toast, which I'm going to put in my toaster oven. In my eggs, I have salt and pepper, the amount depending upon your like. So there's some residual butter still left in the pan. So I'll pour in my eggs. And what I like to do is just take a fork and just sort of go around the edges, moving that outer edge of egg to the middle. And they cook up really fast. With minimal sticking. My scrambled eggs, I don't like to be very tight. And that's it. Scrambled eggs.